Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another super easy Halloween look for you guys. It is a little special to me. This is like one of my favorite Halloween looks ever, my favorite like character of all time. So yeah, this is also going to include a little story time. So if you guys want to see the Halloween look that I'm going to create and hear a little backstory to it, then please keep on watching. Okay, also, I did my own nails the other day and these two broke off today and I haven't had a chance to like glue them back on or like redo them. So my nails look a little janky right now, but please don't pay attention to that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I am doing Wednesday Addams in today's Halloween look. I'm so excited. So it's gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna start off by doing my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so the look I'm going for is going to be a reference of a look that Snitchery did. I think she did this look maybe last year or the year before that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reference that picture. If I can insert it, I will go ahead and do that. That way you guys can see like what I'm looking at. But yeah, she didn't do like a white face or anything like that. So I'm just gonna keep it kind of natural to my skin tone. But I am gonna use a foundation shade that's lighter than me, which is this NYX Born to Glow one. But it's not gonna make me look white. So it's just gonna make me look a little bit pale, but not white. So that's kind of what I want. And a little bit of this foundation goes a long way, so I'm honestly not even gonna do that much. I don't know if you guys can tell already. And I'm just taking my wet elf sponge and blend it out with that. Oh, and also I glued down my brows already. They're not fully done yet, but they're just glued down. So blending that out, you guys see how it's lighter than me? So that's what I want. And then blending down my neck. And my ears. So I think that's a pretty good color. I am currently rewatching season 3 of American Horror Story. I will literally never get tired of rewatching this. I think this is like the 4th or 5th time that I've rewatched it, honestly. So I went ahead and did my brows really quick. I did them kind of dark just because that's how Snitchery has them in the picture. I used my Maybelline gel liner in Blackest Black. And now I'm gonna take the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade, it's called Shh. So taking that shade, I'm just gonna go ahead and deepen up my dark circles. And this is a small tapered blending brush. I got this off of Shein. So I can kind of see my dark circles where they are right now because I'm not wearing concealer. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and deepen that up. You want to really make them look sunken in. So, like that. Do you guys see the difference? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same to the other eye. So in that picture, Snitchery has like the bags under her eyes, kind of like a reddish color. They look just like, they're not brown or like black, they're just like a red purpley color. So taking the original I can't talk today. Taking the original Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going in with this shade right here and a small defining brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and place that under my eyes. And I'm just gonna take a little bit because I don't want it to be too pigmented at first. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It kind of looks like if she has her eyes bruised in a way. Okay, so I finished up the bottom of the eyes. They look like this. I also just went ahead and with like a white shadow, just defined this little part and created like a fake little bag, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, it looks like that. And then she also does the red under the eyes right here at the tip of her nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose a little bit, and then we'll do the tip red. So taking that same first shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, this one, and I use this to contour my nose. So let's do that. Okay, so now that my nose is contoured, with whatever red I have left on this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and circle it on the tip of my nose. Okay, so now that that's done, in the picture, she also looks like she's wearing blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And it's not like pink blush, it's like reddish type of blush, kind of like this color. Okay, so this is a situation that we got going on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face and tell you guys the story. So when I was in 5th grade, I had Miss Minnie. If you guys had that teacher, let me know if you remember this, because it has scarred me for life. So it was Halloween, and obviously, like, when you're little, you can go to school dressed up in your Halloween costumes, right? So ever since I was little, I was obsessed with the Addams Family. Like, it's always been my favorite movie since I was little. So I was in 5th grade. I think I was like 11 or 12, something like that. So yeah, I was obsessed with the Addams Family, and I went in dressed up that day as Wednesday Addams. I was super excited. I had my little pigtails and like the dress and everything. And I don't remember if I was carrying a skull around or not, but yeah, I mean, I had the whole like dress, shoes, hair, everything. So I walk in, I'm like super confident. I'm like, oh my god, I look so good, Wednesday Addams. And I walk into class, and obviously everyone else is dressed up, but no one knows who I am. Like, literally nobody. The only one who knew who I was my teacher. And all day, everyone would ask me if I was a dead pilgrim. I was so sad, guys. I was like, what the hell? How does nobody know who I am? I look like an idiot. People think I look like a pilgrim. Like, I was freaking out. I was so sad. But yeah, my teacher was like, don't worry, like, I know who you are. I love the Addams family. Like, yeah, my teacher was literally the only person that got it. So ever since that day, I've been scarred for life. I was traumatized. I was sad. I went home that day after school and I was like crying because nobody knew who I was. And yeah, it was just a big mess. But if you had Miss Minnie, please comment down below. Let me know if you remember any of this happening, because it literally scarred me for life. And yeah, that's my story time, guys. It was so embarrassing. So I just really quickly went ahead and put mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and now I'm just tight lining my waterline, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes after this. I also went ahead and set my eyelid because I had forgotten to do that, so there was creasing everywhere. So I just went ahead and set it with a white eyeshadow. And the eyeliner that I'm using to tightline is the e.l.f. No Budge retractable eyeliner in black. Okay, I think that's good enough. And the lashes that I'm going to be using are in the style Outshine, and I don't know if you can see them. This is by the brand Her Lashes. Now the only thing left to do is the lips, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and did the lip. I did it kind of like pouty, so it looks like she has a pout, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I really like the way this turned out. I don't have like the black dress, white collar type of thing that she usually wears, so I'm just wearing a black turtleneck. We had to do, wait, that doesn't make sense. You gotta deal with what you have. That's what I was trying to say. So yeah, and I have my little pet skull here. So do I look like her or do I look like her? Guys, I am so excited with how this turned out. I am so happy. If you guys recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me so I can see your take on it. Also, I got this inspo from Snitchery, so obviously I'm gonna leave her information in the description box so you guys can check out the original picture. And yeah, if you guys like this look, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.